Hey, what is going on, everybody? So today, gonna skate, just kind of skate around, see what more damage we can do to these work boots. But here's the catch: we already have a hole in the toe. So, yeah, I blew a hole in the toe. Or not toe, more the ball of my foot, but yeah, I'm gonna see if we can possibly put some more holes in these shoes. So yeah, gonna see if maybe around the heel a little bit, start to put a hole there, then maybe some more around the toes, but or the ball of my foot. But there's no way to know unless we start skating. So let's get to it. Okay, so we are here at Skyline Park / State Soccer Complex. I'm going to skate the switchback that's here, and then some of the other pathways, or some of the other, little pathways or whatever you call them, and see if this hole in the shoe, in these work boots, is going to get any bigger, or if maybe there's some new holes that develop. I do not know, but I definitely am going to have to hike up to get to the top of that switchback, so did my run. I did a couple runs actually, kind of warm up, and then filmed one, but then did one or two for Snapchat, and then so yeah, gonna head home and then catch a few lines on the way home. So hopefully that will burn a hole through the work boots. So okay, so the hole doesn't look any bigger. You can't really see it, but it doesn't look too much bigger. I think I still have to wear out the rest of it, and there doesn't look to be any new holes. And I still got a little bit of rubber left before I even start to think about breaking a hole through these shoes, except for that, maybe that heel. I feel like the heel's probably going to be the next to kind of blow out, but it's like that back right part, sort of. Yeah, but and I've completely worn off the entire George logo on the bottom here. So other than that, I think that hole's just going to continue to get bigger and bigger, and then the inside of the shoe is probably just going to start just kind of tearing out the bottom, and then the heel is probably going to be blown out by the time I'm done with these shoes. Skater miles are way harder than just walking around miles, but other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.